Namaste children. Children, in last class we have discussed about introduction of multiplication and properties of multiplication. We have already learned that one main concept is distributive property. Distributive property of over the addition. So that those concepts we have learned. So now today that another concept. So it is multiplication by 100, 200, 300 up to 900. So and then so multiplication by 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. So how to multiply 100 thousands? Okay, so very easy concept to already you have learned in the 10 no 100 how to multiply in the third standard. So okay, that is has to be same concept. We have to multiply this type of numbers. Okay, so now I will give the examples of how to multiply the multiplication by 100, 200. So now look at the board. Very easy concept. So now here first multiply zero. How many zeros we have to put it first? How many zeros are there in the both the right side or left side? So or in the upside or in the downside? First, how many zeros are there? First we have to put it. Then right, find out, multiply the numerals. Find multiply the numerals. Just one example I will show that example. Okay, 200 by 4. 200 by 4. So we can multiply 200 into 4. First, how many zeros are there? First, we have to put it. How many zeros are in the upside? So 1, 2. First, we have to put it 2 zeros. Then multiply only the numerals 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. This is your answer. This is the answer. So we can directly multiply the numbers. Next, we can go for the second one example. 900 by 12, or we can use into the 15. 15. So now multiply 900 into 50. So first, how many zeros are there? First, we have to write it. How many zeros? 1, 2. Okay. 59 the, how much is that? So only numerals. 9 and 15 only numerals are there. Then multiply the numerals and number. So first multiply 15 and 99. 15 and 9, 59 the 135. So 13,500. Next, I will give the another example. Third one, 800 by 12. 800 by 12. So multiply 800 into 12. How many zeros are there? First we have to put it 1, 2. 1, 2. First we have to put it. Next then multiply the numerals 12 and 8. 12 8 the 96. 12 8 the 96. So look at the board. Look at the, all of you answers products. So here multiply 100. So we get 2 zeros. Then multiply 100, we get the 2 zeros. Then we have to multiply 100, we get the 2 zeros. So every time we have to multiply 100, we have get 2 zeros in the product. Keep in the mind. So okay, so these are the examples we observe. So product has to be compared. So all the products we have multiply 100 or 100, 200, 300, 400, everything. So okay, up to 900 numbers multiply. The product is having a 2 zeros. Having a 2 zeros. That is keep in the mind. Okay, this is the first one method. Okay, so we can multiply the, how to multiply 100, then 100, 200, 300 multiply. So these are the examples. Okay, now I will go for multiplication by 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. Same the process has to be same. So I will take the examples of your textbooks. Okay, I will take the examples of your textbook. Example first one, 125 multiply 3000. Okay. Then second one, 28 multiply 4000. Then next one, third one, 2000 into 19. So this type of numbers. Okay, these are the examples. So I will take the textbook. So how to multiply 1000. So, okay, so first in the 1000 has to be taken to the upside or into downside, no problem. Okay, anyone? Okay, so now I will take to 125 upside, multiply 3000, because I have getting one numeral. So one the number, so it is the uh, it is all the natural number, only one numeral number has to be taken. Okay, so now we can easily find out. So how many zeros are there? First we have to put it 1 2 3, then multiply 3 to all the numbers. So only numerals has to be multiplied. 3 5 the 15, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 the 3, 3 lakh 75,000. 3 lakh 75,000. This type of multiplication we have get the answer. Easily we have to write the find out the answer. So now I will go for 28 into 4,000. 28 into 4,000. First multiply 28 into 4,000. Okay, so now multiply 4 8 the, so how many zeros? First we have to write it 1 2 3. Okay, so 4 8 the 32, 3 carry, 4 8 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 lakh 12,000, 1 lakh 12,000. This is the answer. Next I will go for next number multiply. How to then multiply to the 2000 into 19. Okay, then 2000 multiply 19. So anyone, any order can be changed, does not change the answer. So you have to know the properties of multiplication. Then, okay, so first how many zeros? First we have to put it 1 2 3, 1 2 3. First we have to put it. Next 9 to the 19 to the 38, 38,000. So these are the examples of how to multiply the 100 to 900 and then 1000 to 9,000. This is the method you have to follow to the exercise you have to solve that. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this concept. Okay, some of the problems I have to solve in the exercise 4a. Okay, so you understand, I hope all of you understand. So okay, I will go for the exercise. So this is the method. Okay, so now I will go for the exercise. Okay, children, exercise 4th A. So using the properties. So and then fill in the blanks. So it's very easy. So you can understand the questions. So and then fill the answers. Okay, exercise 4A. Fill in the blanks. Understand the properties. So okay, one or two times you have to read the properties and then find out the answers easily. So here distributive property also used, and then multiplications, which number multiply 0, so we get the answer. Then 1 we have to multiply the product is itself. So keep on these properties or points, so and then find out the answers. So now I will go for 2143 multiply into dash 2143. Okay, so how much multiply to this number we get the itself answer? So 1 1 we have to multiply, so the answer is itself. Next 403, 4 sorry 40 plus 3 into 3, 40 plus 3 into 3. So first what we do, it is distributive property question. First adding these two numbers, 40 plus 3 into 3. So 40 plus 3, 43 into 3, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12. So what is your answer? 429. 429. So we should write the answer 429. Next, so 3241 into 0. What is your answer? The answer is 0. Next, then 150 plus 2 into 5. Same the question. The B1. Same the answer. Multiply 152 into 5. 152 into 5. So adding the first in the bracket 152 into 5. 5 to the 10, 1 carry, 5 5 the 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 2 carry, 5 1 the 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So what is your answer? 760. 760. Then, so consider for the even 456 into dash equals to 0. How much multiply we get 0? The answer multiply 0. So we get the answer is 0. Next one. F1 659 into 363. So it is changing the order. So we can observe that. So here 659 into 363 is there. Next one, what is the after that is equal to, so what is the number is there? 363 written. Then multiply. So what is the next number will come? So it is changing the order. So already is 363 is there. Another number is what? 659 is missing. We should write 659. Then I will go for the, what is the number? Another number. So G1. Okay. 1176 into 562 into 31. Okay. So next here grouping the numbers, changing the grouping. Okay. Then 562 into 31 is there. So 562 is there. Which number is missing? 1176. Next, I will go for 337, 6923 into 146. So which number is missing here in the place of next is equal to? So which number is missing? 337. So this is the answers. So for the first main. So okay. So I will go for, so second main you have to do. Second main is very easy. Second main, fourth main, and then fifth main you have to do. So very easy concepts. So you have to do must and should. It is very easy concept. Then I will go for third main. How to multiply the numbers. Okay. So then one or two examples I will show that. The remaining questions you have to done. So okay. Then it is very easy. So third main I have to show. Okay. Now it is third main. Okay. How to multiply the 100? So it is very quickly multiply. So and then, so you know that how many zeros are there? First put it and then remaining multiply the numbers. Okay. So it's very easy concept. Next, first one has been done for in the textbook. So that example you can see, and then remaining questions has to be solved. Okay. Now 356 into 100. 356 into 100. So first how many zeros are there? First we have to put it. Next multiply 1 6 the 6, 1 5 the 5, 1 3 the 3. So 356 into 100. So we get 35,600. Okay. So same then multiply to the again 100 using this number. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. First we have to put it 1 2 3 4. Okay, then again adding two zeros. So one time two zeros, again two zeros we have to adding, so the remaining number is same. That is the easy method. Okay, 3 lakh. Okay, 35 lakh 60,000. Okay, so now again go for the second one, B. Okay, 37 into 100. What is your answer? 37 into 100, 3,700. Then again multiply to this 100. So adding two zeros to this number. 37, two zeros. First again two zeros. 3,70,000. Next, 202 into 100. 202 into 100. 202. How many zeros? 1, 2, 20,200. Next, I will go for again two zeros. We have to adding multiply 100. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 202. 20 lakh 20,000. 20 lakh 20,000. This is the way to solve the problems. Next, 999 into 100. 999 into 100 multiply. What if we get answer? Two zeros. Keep in the mind, when multiply 100, the product having two zeros. When multiply 1000, the product having 3 zeros. Okay, then multiply 100. So again 2 zeros adding. 9 lakh 9 sorry 99 lakh 90,000. Next, so here 1667 multiply 100. 1667 multiply 100, 1,63,700. Next again multiply to this number. 1 crore 66 lakh 70,000. So this is the answer. So multiply to the, how to multiply 100 and then again 100. So using the exercise. So I have done first mine and then third mine. So remaining second mine, third mine, second mine, fourth mine and fifth mine you have to solve. Okay. So I hope all of you understand how to multiply to the 100, 200, 300 up to 9,900. So and then multiplication of 100, sorry 1000 and then 2000, 3000 up to 9,000. So how to multiply? Okay, I hope all of you understand. So you have to solve the exercise. Okay, so students watch the video and use your, so improve your knowledge. Dhanyavad students, thank you so much.